interrupt our normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Please stand by. 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 Please stand by.
Hello, I'm a representative of President Donald Trump. Today, we have had a national tragedy. Dragons have invaded Dave and Buster's. Wait, who gave me the wrong script? Oh, whatever. Darwin is back and has infected southern Indiana with zombie virus. We have also received reports that a middle-aged obese white man wearing a white shirt and green pants with a Rhode Island accent is assisting him in his reign of terror over Bloomington, Indiana. We are mobilizing the army to destroy Darwin and his zombie army. If you are in southern Indiana, leave now. Elsewhere, there is now a curfew in effect. We will get through this. As long as McDonald's does not fall, President Trump, Vice President Pence, and the woke Bloomington Army are all in discussions on what to do next. We will now resume normal programming. God bless America. And God bless Pizza Hut. Will someone stop that?